Today we're leaving elephants and leopards in the jungle and we're making our way to Mirissa. Let's see how that goes.
Alright, we're on the road and it's already way hotter than expected. I really regret wearing pants already. But Google Maps says it's going to be about a 3-hour drive, but we have learned by now that the TukTuk takes much longer, so let's see how long it really takes us. But first, we've got to pick up some snacks because we've eaten all of our stash.
Looks like we're driving straight into a jungle.
Yeah, it's definitely getting greener. Shucky?
Yep. So good and tasty.
So good and tasty.
We're halfway there.
Woo.
The snacks were very good. And how's the driving going?
It's been good so far, pretty uneventful, but that's good. I like it that way because then I have less concentration and
Yeah, it's been pretty quiet and good road so far.
yeah, the scenery changed. Like now it's pretty green and palm trees and like jungle vibes, which is quite nice.
Yeah, it's very different to kind of the more dry, earthy kind of area we were in Tissa. So, and now we're in 40 left to go.
Yeah, 62 kilometers. Can't wait to get there.
Woohoo!
And I'm excited for Marissa.
Yeah, me too. Excited for the beach. But I'm also hoping it's not raining in Marissa. It is rainy season down the south of Sri Lanka at the moment. But we did meet some people yesterday on their safari who had just come from Marissa, and they said for the time that they were there, it's just a bit rainy in the morning and in the afternoon, but you had the full day to enjoy. So hopefully it's the same for us. Woohoo!
Wow,
First
nice.
look at the beach. Oh, it's beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Handbrake popped down
I know.
there. Yeah, that's crazy.
We are ready to go again. Full petrol. It costs us 1,400. Yeah, to top it up until the max. So
Okay.
pretty good. That's like €4.
It's so windy.
Just 10 more minutes until we get to the hotel.
Yay! But again, we've not booked this hotel. It's just a hotel that looks nice online. And the reason we've done this again is because we have read that there are quite a few fake reviews, not just in Sri Lanka, I think all of South Asia apparently. So we like to view the room before booking, and we're not really that fussy with our rooms, honestly. We just don't want somewhere that's very damp and like moldy, where we might like feel really ill staying there or after. So that's really our only requirement. So fingers crossed this is a good hotel and that they have a room if it is.
Maybe it's even part of the hotel.
Yeah.
This parking.
Nice, I have parking, so that's check.
Okay, let's see what it's inside.
Yeah, I'll wait here with the bags.
Okay, should I go and have a look?
Yeah.
Okay,
Good luck.
thank you.
Okay, so it definitely looks like they have a room available that they've brought Djuro into view. So
how much is this one?
looking good. So that hotel did have rooms and we both checked them out, but the price they were giving us was actually more expensive than booking.com. So yeah, we're gonna try and look at another one now instead that's kind of close by, but maybe we'll book through the app and go back there. We're not sure yet. Let's see. Djuro's checking out place number 2. Not sure about this one. Okay, he's coming back.
Back. I think the first one.
Is
The other
better?
one, yeah. So let's see.
All right, attempt number 3. Looks nice so far.
I hope that's the one.
And guess where we are? We're back to hotel number 1. This was by far the cleanest hotel, and it also didn't have that damp smell like some of the other hotels did. So we're really happy, but we're also happy we saw the other hotels, so we know we made the right decision, because it is a little bit more on the pricey side for our budget really. But this is what €29 will get you in Marissa during off season, and that includes breakfast. So let me show you around. It's a really, really big room. We have over here our big balcony area, which is sea facing, so you get a lovely view, and that's where breakfast will be served in the morning. Over this way, we have a TV, aircon unit in here. We have a safe and plus loads of storage there so we can hang up any clothes or anything. A shoe rack, a lovely big bright mirror here, which is lovely. Also comes with a mini fridge so we can keep our water really nice and cold, and a kettle and some tea bags, which is a really nice touch. In here is the bathroom. So this actually has a separate shower, which is quite a luxury here in Sri Lanka, and it has hot water, so I'm very happy. Otherwise, you have your sink, shampoo, conditioner and shower gel, which is also a nice touch. Overall, it's a really clean bathroom, so I'm very happy with it. Back out here, all the way over here for the bed test. Oh, it's like a firm mattress, but quite a comfortable one still. So how long did it take in the end?
It's been in the end like 5 hours in total, but obviously with the hotel search here, we stopped at 3 places until we came to the first one again and booked it, but we saw that before.
A long day traveling.
Yeah, a very long day traveling, but now it's time for some food because we're really, really hungry.
Yeah. Maybe we have to go around to the beach side?
Maybe, but it's weird, it says open, so
Yeah.
I felt like I could open it.
Let's try again.
Fail. Let's try again. Here?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Japanese food, drinks, Chinese, Italian, pizza, burger, seafood. This is a burger, salad.
Okay, loads of options. Okay, thank you.
Oh, that's a nice view.
What a place for
Wow.
dinner. Wow, we're literally right on the beach.
That's the best view so far that we've ever had in a restaurant. That I
Yeah.
personally ever had in a restaurant.
Yeah, I think so too. Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
And it's a nice breeze too. So
Yeah, it's gonna cool. Oh wow. I'm not
Lovely.
gonna want to leave. This is beautiful. First taste.
I have a little bit spicy in mine. Nice.
It's pretty good.
Oh. It's nice.
Yeah,
It's perfect. It's not. It's just
good temperature.
good temperature, very good temperature.
Nice. Whoa.
You have to come over there with me. It's really nice there. The water like comes from both sides, and the temperature is perfect.
It is crazy that the waves are coming in both sides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye bye.